Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Health and Beauty Tips. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to get clear skin and get rid of dirt particles. So for this, all we need is Dabur Gulab. So now I am going to show you how to mix this and apply it. But before that, please do subscribe to our channel. First, put some and then add some paste and add some. Mix this mixture and apply this to your skin to get rid of dirt particles. Let it dry for some time and wash. This is how our skin looks after washing it. You can see no tan on my skin. So if you have any queries, please do comment in the comment section and we'll make a video about this too. And do apply this technique twice in a week to get better results. And please do share, like, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.